Hello kids, so moving forward with our lesson, we will going to subtract dissimilar fraction today. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng dissimilar fraction? Ito ay ang mga fractions na mayroong magkaibang denominator. So I have here an example, 1 and 7/9 minus 1/3 is equals to n. Una ninyong gagawin dahil hindi magkaparehong denominator is to find the LCD. Paano ninyo makukuha ang LCD? Makukuha ninyo ang LCD through LCM. So, gagawin natin, kukunin natin ang LCM ng 9 and 3. So, multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and so on. So, next naman, ang kukunin natin ng multiples ay ang 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Dito pa lang may makikita na kayong common multiples ng 9 and 3, which is 9. Ayan. Ayan po, nakikita ninyo. Pareho silang may 9. Okay? So, dito pa lang, makukuha nyo na kung anong gagamitin nyo as your LCD or common denominator. Ibig sabihin, ang LCD ninyo is 9. So, isosolve na natin gamit ang ating common denominator. Una, gagawin ninyo, kokopyahin nyo lang ang whole number. Ayan po. Tapos, also write the common denominator. Okay po, meron na tayong common denominator. Kung matatandaan ninyo, meron tayong divide and multiply. So, divide natin itong common denominator natin dito para makuha natin ang equivalent fraction natin. So, 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times 7 is equals to 7. Next, 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3 times 1 is equals to 3. Ayan po. Meron na tayong common denominator. Madali na lang sa atin na mag-subtract. Since isa lang ang ating whole number, kokopyahin lang natin siya. Okay? So, 1. Copy the common denominator. And then proceed with our subtraction. 7 minus 3 is 4. So we have here 1 and 4/9 as our final answer. Hindi na natin to maire-reduce into lowest term. Ito na ang final answer natin. Okay po?